Okay, now I know I made a mistake with my reboot program a couple times, well, more than a couple times, but I'm gonna try fixing again, and hopefully this doesn't take like 7 minutes like the other time, except half was like 3 minutes fixing one thing, the other half was fixing another thing, even though I didn't fix one of them. Okay, so we're gonna dump at 100. Okay, this is my fault right here. Right here, it has to be, if you look over here, we know that n, the little n equals 6e, and here's the 6e, here's the n, the I, and then the 24, which is the $sign. Now, what we actually want is, the 20, is that's a space. We know that 20 equals spaces. If you look above it, there's a space, look below it, there's actually another space. And right over here there's a space, which is right there, so we know it's a space. Now, 20, let's see, that's at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We want that to be 116. We want to change that to we'll just change this whole entire string at 102 right here. 1, 1, 2. So we're gonna go and go assemble at 102, and we're gonna go type db are you sure question mark space yes slash no thing this thing 0d 24. Now if we go unassemble at 100, oops, didn't mean to do that. Dump at 100. If we dump it at 100, now it's a period, just like all the other ones before the 24s. So it's a period saying that it's a carriage return. These aren't carriage returns, these are just, it doesn't know what to put there anyways. So I still don't think that we're done, because I think there's another character that I have to put in there. But let's write it. Writing 100 bytes. And we're gonna quit, and we're gonna try a reboot program. So what happens is the carriage return, if there's only one of them, it brings it back over here. Well, that's what the carriage return is. It brings it back over here. And that's what this 0d is. Now, I believe there's another one that brings it down one line. Oh yeah, that's right. So you want to bring it down one more line. So what we're going to have to do is cancel this now and go debugreboot.com. Now that we're debugging it, we can go at 102 and rewrite this as are you sure question mark, and don't put a space, don't put anything there, put a Y, don't like leave a space there because we need to preserve characters as many as we can. Put it in 0d or 0d and just wait up for a second. Okay, what we want to put is 0a. 0a, not 04. 0a, and now we want to put our 24, which is also, of course, this. Ooh, forgot something. db are you sure question mark yes no no space 0d 0A 24. Seem right? Yes, it does. And it ends exactly where all of our code tells us to read from, where it tells it to read from, so we're safe. So we're going to go db and change this to invalid input period. We're not going to put a space there, we're just going to put try again, period. And we're going to go like this, and 0D, 0A, 24. We're still safe. 132 is where it still points to, where our program still points to and stuff. So, press db, wrong window. Okay. We want it, for this one we want rebooting system. So, rebooting system, period. Don't put a space there. Let's go like this. Now what we're going to do is put 0D, 0A, 24. We're still good. 146 is where it's supposed to point at. So we go db, oh, it's the wrong window again. db reboot cancelled. I have a feeling that's written wrong, but I'm gonna have to keep it like that and put 0D, 0A, 24. Uh-oh. Now this is a problem. Now I'm gonna have to go like this and rewrite that at A146 db reboot cancel period thing 0D, and we're just gonna put, actually we're just gonna put a space in there and put 24. And now we're actually gonna have to retype move here. Enter unassemble at 158. So at 158 we have a problem. We're gonna have to go assemble at 158, and we're gonna have to do move dx 0102, and it should fix it. There you go. Unassemble at 158. And our code is back to normal, and our program should be perfect, flawless. RCX 100, that's good, right? Quit, and we're gonna reboot. Are you sure? No. Reboot cancelled. See, the only thing we have here is that the N is right beside the reboot cancelled. But that's perfectly fine with me. It still looks better than it used to. So reboot S. Invalid input, try again. T O blah 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 blah. No, I'm gonna put no this time. Cancelled CLS. Reboot Are you sure? This time I'm going to put a capital Y. Rebooting system. It works. And it looks somewhat good. I fixed it. And now you guys can fix it too if you really need to. If you've made it. Let's just wait for it to finish rebooting or booting up right now. Oh, yes, that seems correct. So does that. Okay, well, thanks for watching once again. I really don't care if you rate, comment, or subscribe. Do whatever you want. But this is KGD Man 92. See ya.